Did you know that one of the best and most common tools for making money online is a cell phone with an internet connection? In this video, I'll cover a number of ways to monetize a phone that is connected to the internet. Watch the entire video if you want to learn about additional websites and ways to make money with your phone. We'll go over a range of strategies and recommendations for making money just with your smartphone. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Online surveys and market research are the first ways to earn money on your phone. The benefit of this method of earning money is that there is no requirement for an upfront payment. All you need to do is invest a lot of time in responding to numerous surveys from different brands and organizations about their products and services. By downloading other survey websites or survey apps, you can expand this way of earning money on your phone. Another option is to take part in extra lucrative endeavors like directing individuals to various survey websites. To get started, all you need is your phone. Neither a computer nor a laptop are required. Anyone in the globe may participate in surveys thanks to the availability of several survey programs that allows participants to earn money and other benefits. I call them market research if you are not familiar with internet surveys. It comprises responding to inquiries on various online forums regarding the products and services of various firms. The first free techniques to make money on your phone is in this manner. Playing mobile games on your phone is the second way you could earn money from it. Due to the daily creation of new games that are willing to compensate you for your time, this is one of the best ways that online gaming is now expanding. By forcing you to view quick commercials in between game sessions and other activities, they are earning money, or you're exchanging goods and services with them. Given the abundance of free online gaming, this is yet another useful strategy for making money or getting the most out of your smartphone. Consider how much money you can make from the game before grabbing your phone to play the next one. If not, just be aware that you can make up for it by playing a similar or equivalent game. Installing investment or investment-related apps on your phone is the third option to earn money using your phone. You must conduct some study to determine which investing apps are the finest one for you, because there are many of them, some of which are just available in your nation and others which are available to people throughout the world. Although this strategy requires small initial expenditure, I believe it to be one of the greatest ways to monetize your smartphone. The wonderful thing is that many of these apps may be used right away without requiring an initial investment of tens of thousands of dollars. You can gradually increase your assets and portfolio with little initial investment, increasing your chances of financial success. The next method of making money involves using your smartphone to carry out several gigs, little jobs, or micro-tasks. You can carry out a variety of tasks using other programs, such as Clickworker, Microworkers, and several more. This is another expanding industry. Responding to these job postings will earn you money. Internet job prospects could include responding to surveys, looking up certain photos, annotating videos, and producing short movies and images. Some occupations may need you to visit cities, go to shopping centers, or perform similar activities. Another approach to get money with just your phone is to carry out small jobs for cash using different applications like Field Agent, which doesn't require much of your time. In order to donate money, you must check your email and capture and transmit photographs using your phone. This is another tip for making better use of your smartphone. Work as a freelancer in the following recommendation. Unless you are a freelancer working on a project that requires one, you are not required to own a computer. A mobile device may help you complete a lot of your freelance job. The good news is that you may browse through various chances by downloading and installing mobile applications from a number of freelance markets, including Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor. Your phone may be used to access several of these features. One of the best tools you'll ever have for generating an income is a cell phone that is loaded with this knowledge and connected to the internet. Hence, even if you simply have a cell phone, consider freelancing. The plan is then to launch a YouTube channel. I've used my phone before to browse YouTube. I used to use my phone to capture videos, edit them all, perform SEO, publish the films, and receive feedback. Because I did everything on my phone back then, and there was no audio or moving video, I assumed editing was simpler. This is yet another strategy for creating a consistent flow of income. This is one of the best ways to make money using just a phone, in my opinion. Start with your phone if you've been wanting to launch a YouTube channel but feel as though you lack the tools. To expand your YouTube channel, there are a ton of tools and apps that you can use only on your phone, such as editing tools, editing apps, and SEO tools. The following concept is playtesting, also referred to as game testing. The app stores are flooded with fresh games created by respective organizations. Before being made available in the app stores, apps and video games must be evaluated, which is why so many businesses are hiring for testing-related professions. They will pay you to test out their various apps in exchange for your input on how the game or app works. The Playtest Cloud platform, which employs individuals to test numerous mobile ads, is an excellent example of one such platform. Another one, Cold Game Tester, has a partnership with or has been acquired by Lionbridge, one of the biggest companies that has been operating for a while in Lionbridge. They provide a testing environment where you may experiment with various games. Some of these games and apps will be your liking, and it's yet another great way to use your smartphone to make money. On their mobile devices, people from all over the world frequently have the chance to test out new apps. These are a few ways you may earn money using your phone. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.